In today's video, we're talking about how to improve your WordPress site speed on Bluehost using caching and image compression, and more importantly, how to think about these settings so you're not just clicking random buttons. What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if your site feels slow, clunky, or takes forever to load, this video is going to help you understand what actually makes a difference and what doesn't. A slow site is one of those things people ignore until it starts hurting traffic, rankings, or conversions. You might have good content, a clean design, and solid hosting, but if your page loads slowly, people are going to leave. And what makes this tricky is that WordPress speed issues usually come from a few small things stacking on top of each other, not one big problem. So that's what we're going to break down today. So by the end of this video, you'll know what caching really does, how image compression fits into the picture, and which Bluehost settings are worth paying attention to so you can make smart choices instead of guessing. Let's get into it. So let's start off with the basics, what Bluehost and WordPress speed optimization even is. So when we talk about improving WordPress speed on Bluehost, we're really talking about reducing how much work your site has to do every time someone visits it. WordPress is dynamic. That means when someone loads a page, your site pulls information from the database, process files, loads images, runs plugins, and then shows everything in the browser. That all takes time. If every visit starts from scratch, things are going to get slow very fast. Bluehost includes built-in tools that help reduce that workload. Two of the biggest ones are caching and image optimizations. These do not change how your site looks, they just change how efficiently your site delivers content to the visitors. Caching stores ready-made versions of your pages, so your site does not have to rebuild them every single time. Image compression reduces file sizes so images load faster without looking worse. Together, these settings can noticeably improve load times even if you do nothing else. This video is about understanding how those tools work so you can use them confidently. How to improve WordPress speed on Bluehost. So when people think about speeding up a WordPress site, they usually assume there's one magic setting that they're missing. In reality, site speed is about removing friction at every stage of the loading process. Each small improvement stacks on top of the next. On Bluehost, the biggest wins come from understanding how your site loads, where it slows down, and which built-in tools reduce the load instead of adding more work to the server. One of the most important concepts to understand is that WordPress builds pages dynamically. So every time someone visits your site, WordPress has to pull data from the database, load theme files, run plugin code, and assemble everything into a page that the browser can read. That is a lot of work to repeat for every single visitor. So caching is what stops WordPress from rebuilding the same page over and over and over again. Instead of starting from scratch each time, caching saves the finished version of your page and delivers that to visitors. That alone can make the site feel dramatically faster, especially during busy traffic periods. Bluehost uses server-level caching to handle much of this automatically. This is different from relying only on plugins because it happens closer to the server itself. The benefit here is consistency. Your site loads faster without you needing to manage multiple layers of tools that might conflict. Another part of speed improvement that often gets overlooked is browser caching. This tells a visitor's browser to remember certain files like images, fonts, and style sheets. So when someone clicks around your site, those files don't need to reload every time. This is why a site might feel faster after the first page load, even if the initial load felt slow. From a visitor's perspective, this matters more than people realize. Even small delays make a site feel clunky and just unpolished. When pages load quickly and smoothly, people stay longer and trust the site more. Again, images are another huge factor in site speed, and they're often the main reason a site feels slow. Modern websites rely heavily on images, but raw image files are usually much larger than they need to be. High-resolution photos straight from a phone or camera can be several megabytes each, and when multiple images load at once, everything is going to slow down. So Bluehost includes image compression tools that automatically reduce file sizes without changing how images look on screen. This is really important because many beginners assume image compression means lower quality, but in reality, compression removes unnecessary data that users can't see, while keeping the visual result the same. This is one of those improvements that quietly does a lot of work behind the scenes. You might not notice it happening, but your pages are going to load faster, especially on mobile devices or slower connections. Lazy loading works alongside image compression to further improve speed. So instead of loading every image on a page immediately, lazy loading delays images until the user scrolls to them. This reduces the amount of data that needs to load right away and makes the page appear faster almost instantly. From a user experience perspective, this feels a lot smoother. The page becomes usable more quickly, even if the image continue loading in the background background. This is really helpful on longer blog posts or pages with lots of visuals. Another area that affects speed is how your site handles scripts and styles. Every plugin and theme adds files that need to load. Over time, those do add up. So Bluehost Performance Setup helps reduce the impact of these files by optimizing how they're delivered rather than loading everything at once. This does not mean that plugins are bad, it just means that efficiency matters. The goal is not to remove everything, but to make sure your site loads what it needs in the most efficient order possible. And finally, it's important to understand that speed optimization is not something you do once and forget. As your site grows, you add content, install new plugins, performance needs small adjustments, and Bluehost built-in tools give you a really solid foundation so you're not constantly chasing fixes. So if your goal is faster, more reliable WordPress site without getting overwhelmed by technical details, if your goal is a faster, more reliable WordPress site without getting overwhelmed by technical details, definitely focus on caching, image compression, and efficient loading. That combination is the smartest and best approach out there. These are the changes that are consistently going to move the needle forward. Okay, now that you understand how to optimize your Bluehost site, let's talk about the different plans and pricing options so you can see if it's a good fit for you. If you don't already have Bluehost, we do have an exclusive link down in the description below. Once you click that link, you'll go ahead and click Get Started Now. So this is how you're going to get the best price possible. You can save up to 70% here. So we've got the starter, the business, and the e-commerce essentials. The starter plan is just $2.99 per month. You get web and hosting, so 10 websites, 10 gigabytes of storage. It's ideal for about 40K visits per month. You get things like a free CDN, global data centers, and 24/7 chat support. Then you get security features like free SSL, DDoS protection, weekly website backups. For marketing, you get Yoast SEO, which is a free plugin, and then the pro email free trial. Then there's some advanced features like static content caching, again, very important, object caching, SSH, and WordPress staging. Okay, then we've got the business plan, which is just $5.99 per month. With this, you get more websites, ideal for more visitors. You get extra features here for security. So for example, malware detection and removal and domain privacy for the first year. Same marketing and advanced features as well. And then lastly is the e-commerce essentials. So this is $13.99 per month. With this, you get more websites, more gigabytes, more visits per month, etc. The biggest difference here is the commerce tools. So you get secure payment processing, WooCommerce, offer paid courses, and everything in between. So you can really find a plan that best fits your needs. If you don't have any e-commerce, you would go ahead and start with the starter. Once you need to increase from there, you can go ahead and do so. But again, these discounts are only with the link down below. So again, just want to make sure, don't forget to use that link. Before we wrap up, let's touch on the pros and cons so you can decide if it's a good fit for you. So starting off with the pros, one of the biggest advantages of using Bluehost built-in speed tools is just simplicity. You don't need to install a stack of third-party plugins just to get basic performance improvements. Many of the most important optimizations are already integrated. Another benefit is stability. So because these features are designed to work with Bluehost servers, they're less likely to conflict with each other or break your site. This is really helpful if you're newer to WordPress and you don't want to troubleshoot technical issues. The automatic image compression is also a major plus. It quietly works in the background and prevents oversized images from slowing down your site without you needing to manually resize everything. And finally, these tools improve both actual load time and perceived speed. Pages feel faster, navigation feels smoother, and visitors are more likely to stay on your site. Now for the cons. The biggest downside is that you have less fine-tuned control compared to advanced performance setups. If you're running a very large site or a highly customized build, you may want more granular options. Another limitation is that some settings are handled automatically, which can feel a bit confusing if you like to control every detail. You may not always see obvious on and on switches for everything happening behind the scenes. For most beginners and small site owners, these are not deal breakers though, but it's just important to know that Bluehost speed tools are designed for ease and reliability, not extreme customization. Now, is Bluehost for you? You should definitely consider using Bluehost built-in caching and image compression if you want a faster WordPress site without managing complex performance plugins. This setup makes sense if you're running a blog, small business site, portfolio, or content-focused website and want solid speed improvements without technical overwhelm. It's also a great fit if you want something that works quietly in the background while you focus on content and growth. On the other hand, if you are someone who enjoys tweaking advanced performance settings or managing enterprise level traffic, you might eventually outgrow this setup. But for most WordPress users, this approach covers the fundamentals very well. I know website speed can feel overwhelming because there are so many opinions and tools out there and it's hard to know what actually matters. And most of the time, improving speed is not about doing everything. It's about doing a few things correctly and letting them work together. If you're just getting started or feeling stuck with a slow site, focusing on caching and image compression is a really good place to start. You don't need to chase perfection. Just start with one step at a time. Okay, you guys, that wraps up this video. If you want to check out Bluehost yourself, you can go ahead and click our link down below, and that's again how you're going to get the best price possible, and you can access these speed features right away. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and of course leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you build, manage, and improve your website with clear and simple guidance. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.